Now, you're going to bring the legs forward at a 45-degree angle. Then you're going to zipper up through your abdominals, imagining that your core is your keystone. You're going to lift the top leg up hip height. We're just going to keep it simple today. You're going to kick front, front, and then extend it and reach it long, long. And again, kick front, front, and reaching long, long. Bring the leg to home and rest it. Take the hand that's pressing into the mat, bring it underneath your rib cage. So you're just going to rest your rib cage on that top, onto that hand. So just sitting on it. Then lift the top leg up. Now, feel what the rib cage feels like in your hand right now. Ideally, it's going to stay the same. You're going to kick front, front, and back, back. Kick, kick, and back, back. Kick, kick. While you're kicking, don't let the weight change on your hand. Kick, kick. No more weight in the front, no more weight in the back. It stays constant throughout.